Hey, so I'm gonna show you how to install multiple MetaTrader 4 platforms. I think the same can be done for MetaTrader 5, so yeah, you can follow the same process in case you want to install multiple MetaTrader 5s. So first off, we're gonna open the local disk, the C, and we're going to program files with the x86. So we're gonna open that and we're gonna just look for the TradView MetaTrader 4 terminal. You're gonna see that this is pretty simple. It's very easy. What we're gonna do is just to copy and paste it. As you can see, I have another one. I'm gonna add a new one. We're gonna continue. So there you go. Now we have TradView MetaTrader 4 terminal copy. Okay, so I'm gonna change the name to 3. And that's it. Now we're gonna open this folder and we're gonna look the terminal application, and I'm gonna send it to the desktop. Here, create a shortcut. Then I'm going to the shortcut to the desktop. Sorry, I'm gonna put it right here. If you want the icon to be shown here, then you can go to the properties. I think, yeah, properties. You're gonna have this, and there you can go to where, I think advanced. No, here in shortcut you just go to change icon and you go to browse. Then you're gonna look for the same folder in program files, and you're gonna look for TradView MetaTrader 4, and here's the icon you can see here. So there you select, and that's it, man. You have your terminal. You can have TradView 3, for example. I'm gonna just state that is MetaTrader 4, and that's it. And I'm going to open it. Can take just a little. Um, Pretty much that's the only thing you need to do. You can see it's very easy. And there you go. Now you know how to set up your account and everything. You just have to go here and log in. Okay, so here, log in, and then you go from there. You can have as many as terminals as you want. If your computer allows it to have a, I don't know, you can have 10 terminals if you want. So yeah, man, that's pretty much. So I hope you can this video can be useful, and anything, let me know. Okay.